Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can import a table into Supabase. So before starting, make sure that your file is in CSV or SQL format because those are supported for imports. So the first thing that you will do after that is, of course, open your project. And once you're on your project, what you will have to do is look for table editor, which is right here. And then now that you're here, you will just have to uh, click new table, and then what you will do is scroll down a little until you see import data from CSV. So just go ahead and click that. And then what you will do is choose what you're importing. It could be CSV file, or it could be a TSV file, so it really depends on you, or SQL dump file, whatever works. And if your data doesn't exist yet, Supabase will give you an option to create a new table from this file, and next you will just have to upload your file or paste your text. It really depends on you, and make sure the column names match your data. And if something doesn't match, Supabase will highlight it so you can adjust the column type. And after that, you will just have to click save, and then finally, after all that, you will just have to refresh the table editor to confirm your table and data are now visible. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.